first gaming PC, and you see right here I've got the 6700X and my first motherboard. This is for my 10900K. So to install a CPU, all you gotta do is pull up this little lever, drop this in. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. God. Shit.
Every PC builder's worst nightmare.
It was at this moment she knew she fucked up.
Don't worry, Jawa has plenty of CPUs to go around.
PC fail, here's a tip. Do not test motherboards that have bent pins. You need to fix the bent pins before you do anything. And this is what happens when you have crossed pins. You're gonna have a blown up motherboard and a ruined chip. This is about $1,000 in blown up product. Now we learned not to test things without fixing them.
I'm trying to remove this motherboard from the PC, right? And I need to get that screw back there, but I want to remove this cooler. And I took this plate off, but the cooler itself isn't coming off. Like, whoosh. Dude.
PC upgrade. We have the 4070 in here, but we finally picked up the 4090.
Protégeme, Señor, con tu espíritu. Protégeme, protégeme, Señor.
Чистка Ryzen 5 2600. Уже очень
Me acaba de salir. Ardiendo la gráfica, loco.